Rosemary, beyond being a staple of Italian cuisine, it is also filled with vitamins and nutrients. Iron, calcium, B6, vitamin C, it's all in here, which means it is a smart solution for a wellness lifestyle. You need some rosemary in your garden and in your life. Now, rosemary is a Mediterranean plant and truly requires and loves Mediterranean conditions. Mediterranean conditions are hot, dry, and sunny. Well, I've discovered a secret for growing the best rosemary. It is super easy, and I'm going to teach it to you right now. I've discovered a secret soil formula. It's for rosemary and Mediterranean plants in general, and it is going to make your garden look fabulous. If you want a successful rosemary plant, we need to get you this soil combination. It is 1 part pumice. If you can't find pumice, you can use chicken scratch. You can use vermiculite, but it's very light and sometimes floats to the top of the container. So I like the heavier pumice, chicken scratch. It keeps the weight down. 1 part rotted manure, and you can find that under composted manure nearly anywhere bagged. And 1 part potting soil. We're using peat-free potting soil. It helps hold moisture but still enables drainage, and it's good for the environment because there's no peat in this product whatsoever. Beyond Peat potting soil also has organic fertilizer mixed in. You put everything into the container and stir it up. I've had a lot more success growing rosemary in clay pots, and I believe that's because the air touches the side of the pot and it enables the plant to dry out really well in between waterings, which is another secret of rosemary. So let's fill this baby with my secret soil mix. And then we're only planting a single rosemary plant in here. What you want is a container that's just slightly larger than the root ball that's in its original container. Now, when you pull the plant out of its container, you will see roots. This is a good thing unless it's so root bound that it is stuck in its shape, in its pot. And then I try to loosen it. If it's totally root bound, I give it some cuts. I make sure that the roots can expand. We place it in the container here. And then we're going to backfill it with this amazing secret soil combination. Because this plant needs good drainage, we really want to leave a little bit of space for the water at the top in order for it to drain down. And that's it. It's that simple. Your real secret to success here is peat-free soil, organic fertilizer, good drainage. And that happens when you mix in pumice or chicken scratch into the soil combination. So that's my secret. The other wonderful thing about rosemary is there's more than one type. There are several types of rosemary. You can get this traditional rosemary in a traditional form, or you can find trailing rosemary. Ta-da! Trailing rosemary is kind of adorable. It hangs over the side of your containers and acts as a spiller. If you plant it in the ground, it becomes a very low shrub. All the way around, rosemary is absolutely delicious and healthy for your wellness lifestyle and something that's super easy to grow. When you water this, make sure that it dries out completely in between waterings and you will have all the success in the world. I'm Shauna Coronado. Remember, use peat-free soil. It's better for the environment and better for you. And grow rosemary.